Hi, my name is Pamela Pose. I'm a librarian at Sacramento City College, and I want to talk about using extensions with your Google Chrome browser. So extensions are little programs that add functions and features and allow you to personalize your browser. I'm going to show you how to use them with Google Chrome. So what we're going to do to start, so I have Chrome running right now, and this is my Chrome homepage. All I have to do is go up to the File menus and click Preferences. So I'm using a Mac, and so a PC would look a little different, but most of the same features should be available. So these are my settings for this browser. You can come in here and change things that you wish. I'm going to actually go into extensions though. So these are the extensions that I have installed on this browser. I want to click Get More Extensions. The other way that you can get here actually is go directly to the URL chrome.google.com, and that'll take you right here. You could also just do a search in Google for Google Chrome extensions, and you should be able to find this information. So I'm going to actually go to extensions down here, and you can see there's all sorts of things to look for that you could add to your browser, depending on what you want to do. The thing that I'm going to show you guys how to add, because it's a really useful one, is Awesome Screenshot. So here we go. It is worth actually looking at the information about the extension you want to add. For example, reviews. In this case, it has 5 stars and over 15,000 users, so that means it's a pretty good extension, and I think it's worth adding. I also can see an overview. In this case, this is a little video, although I'm not going to run it in this program. I can annotate and edit screenshots. So if I ever see something on my computer and want to just capture what's going on, for example, with the menus and everything, a screen capture software is what you want to use. So in this case, this looks like a really useful one because you can edit and annotate any screenshots that you do. So all I have to do is click Add to Chrome. It's going to check. You can see what it's going to do with my browser, and I'm going to click Add. And now it's been added. You can see the little icon here. So I want to show you how well this extension works. So I've got my iGoogle page running because it'll show really well what is being captured. And so I just click on the Capture Visible Part of Page, Capture Selected Area, Capture Entire Page. So I'm going to do Visible Part of Page, and it actually opens up a whole new tab, and then this looks like the page I was just at. I'm actually going to change it so it looks different. So now this is just an image of that page, and so I have options that I can do with this. So one really useful one is if I want to blur out information, that's available. So I can like blur out my name, for example. I can select an area. So this is the New York Times homepage. There's an arrow I can put in. So you can see, and then there are little text things. So I'm going to add a little white box. And I can't seem to add text right now. Oh, I know, because the color's wrong. This is the New York Times homepage. And then click Done. And then I can re-edit it. I can save it as an image. I can print the screenshot. It's quite a useful feature. So for example, in a class, if you're having problems with your computer and you need to tell your instructor, you could use this program to show the error message that you get, or and write a little note on it. So I hope this has been useful, and that's how you add extensions in Google Chrome. Thanks, bye.